Hi everyone, my name's Marissa. I'm a senior this year. I'm a biology and sociology double major, and today I'll be showing you a day in the life of a Bonner Leader student.
Side. Good. Ari, stand. Ari, speak.
Car. Good girl.
So try, go with your gut. None of it is wrong. We're going to see where our starting point is.
So a lot of people ask me how I'm going to be able to give her away after I've had her for a year and a half. And actually that's like the last of my worries. The thing I focus on most is making sure she's well trained. The whole purpose of raising a service dog is the idea that someone needs them more than you. And I think it's a really beautiful thing to raise a dog, see them through, and then have them help someone else.